Atoe kilomita
Hmm?
etoe 18.
19. Hata kwa hiyo mita hiyo ingine niweke 18.
Guys, I have reached at my destination. As you can see, we have a very big hill there. Yeah, this is our village. Everything is green and looking perfect. So I'm just waiting for the engineer. I've just arrived there at the destination village. What's up, guys? How are you doing? Good morning, wherever you are watching. Good afternoon. Good evening. My name is Abdi Kenya or Abdi Electricals, guys. Today, guys, I'm so happy. Today it is on a Friday morning. Yeah, everything is fantastic. And yeah, we just got a new job of doing wiring, maybe. Let us go and see what we have been called to do. So, guys, how are you doing? I hope you are enjoying my videos, because nowadays I'm trying a lot to upload videos so that my YouTube family can enjoy and see the content every day. Guys, today I've been called to do some work somewhere just around here in my village, but like 1 kilometer away. So let us stay tuned and enjoy this video. As you can see, I have my tools here. I'm just going now to my motorbike so that we can go one on that side. Guys, as you can see, the weather is not weathering, so by the time 12 reaches, everything will be fine, and the sun will appear at least, so that people can come out, because most of the people right now are sleeping and others are at jobs. Yeah, so guys, today I'm just excited, just going to do a job that is always my career to do. Yeah, that is a great thing, because every time when I go to do this work, I'm so excited and happy, because I like it. I have passion on it. So safe. The good thing about village, all of us know each other, so you cannot worry about other people. So guys, let me arrange myself so that we can take our time and go there. Guys, I have reached at my destination. As you can see, we have a very big hill there. Yeah, this is our village. Everything is green and looking perfect. So I'm just waiting for the engineer. I've just arrived there at the destination village. I don't know where the site is, but I will just wait here, because here it is a junction of going there and a junction of coming to this place. So when he comes, he will find me here. So let us wait for him here. Yeah, because yeah, we are going to do something. We are going to light up Africa. Yeah, for those who are new, make sure subscribe, like, and share. I have a lot of things to show you. Yeah, every day is a learning day. So guys, as you can see, I have changed first sub meter. I replace it with MCB double pole, as you can see. Yeah, this is sub meter, and this is a renting house. As you can see, I'm just going one by one. And the other guys, as you can see here, I just found some wasp, and they were waiting for me there. So the solution was burning them out. Yeah, like this. As you can see, everything is clear. And right now I'm just connecting my wires and MCBs. You see the sub meter, I have removed all the sub meters. I have replaced them with MCB. As you can see, everything is fantastic. Yeah, just doing my work. And the other guy called Irongo is dealing with the meters. Now it's time to wait for the engineer to look the work how it is, so that I can be paid and go home. As you can see, I'm just relaxing. Yeah, so I decided to collect all the waste so that we can say the day was like that. As you can see, everything was perfect. Yeah, I was just a normal handman, so this was a must for me to remove all the dust so that everything can be clear and fantastic, and the engineer can be happy, because now here we are dealing with a professional engineer who has worked for this work for almost like 30 to 40 years. So it's not a joke. As you can see, this is my friend. Now it's time to finish the meters. As you can see, he was putting the cords so that the meter can be activated. Yeah, and that's how the day ended, guys. Yeah, the job was small, but a lot of things happened, and yeah, right now our customers are happy, and they are using their own electricity. As you can see, we have installed all the meters. Yeah, now it's time for the
Atwekere mita?
engineer to kagua.
Ito May 18.
19. Hata kwa hiyo mita hiyo ingine niweke 18. Kwa kama unajua watu.
Hizi bag zako
Sasa mimi
guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Guys, I'm back home right now. As you can see my hand parara. Yeah, I'm back home, just want to take some shower and rest just for 1 hour, so that I can go back then again to look for money. I know, guys, there are some few electricians who really ask me jobs. Guys, that job was I was given like a handman. So don't tell me, Abdi, you did this and you have not called us. Sorry guys, I was called, and I did not have any connection to bring someone, because even me, I was brought. It was just putting the meters, nothing else. The wiring was done, everything was done. So the job that we were doing was installing the meters and the MCBs. So we are finished, and we hope for the best. Na job ikitoka, I will call you guys. I know most of you are watching my video, so make sure you just be ready, because anytime, yeah, we hope for the big project. I have almost 10 people always tell me, Abdi, call us when you have a job. Guys, I remember you, Just be patient. Even me, just finding that job is not easy. You can stay like 1 month, 2 months, you get. Then after 2 months, you get. After 5 months. So it is not easy. Guys, I'm tired. I feel to sleep. Yeah. So guys, make sure subscribe, like, and share so that we can meet on the next video. Bye bye.